Nothing but a downtown thing. Huh. Yep. Had to do something. Oh, let me cross the street right quick for the light change. All right. Huh. There we go. Oh, what's up? What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Got my hair cut. Vlog with my mask on. So, y'all, I guess at the beginning of the video, y'all say a downtown thing. So, here I am downtown, at the Duncan Plaza, okay? Yes, y'all, I'm at the Duncan Plaza. There's too many people at the bus stop, so I'm going to stand right here and everything, So here I am, just out here chilling, waiting on the bus and stuff like that, No telling what my favorite friend will do, Look at that, Holiday Inn. I know. Yeah, so anyway, so I'm just out here waiting on the bus and everything. Y'all know what I like to do, Just, how you doing? I'm just doing the show. All right, just letting people know. So, well, I am careful out here. So, like they say, be careful with your surroundings, So the thing is, you definitely got to be careful with your surroundings. You feel me? So anyway, as I walk over here, I'm at the Duncan Plaza, yeah. Okay. So need to find a spot to go to. When there go a couple of bus drivers, I don't want to put them on, or the supervisor, So I'm wait till my bus come, So I'm gonna find a spot to vlog, So just in case, how y'all doing? All right, so that's my favorite driver, so I'm not gonna put her on. She on the clock. Okay. About to find a spot back here for me to vlog, So here I am at Duncan Plaza. Here we are downtown, the Duncan Plaza. If you're not familiar with New Orleans, this is the Duncan Plaza. Okay. City Hall over there. Y'all can't see City Hall. Okay. Yep. I don't even think I ever walked Duncan Plaza. Being careful who's on. If they won't, or read this. Love more, hate not. Do this say the same thing over here? Yep, it say the same thing here. And it say the same thing here. You see? Uh-huh. Let's take a walk around Duncan Plaza Park. Okay. Yep. The sign say here. Take a break at Duncan Plaza. Something I should have did when I was upset about things. So live long. I don't know who's laughing. Wag your tail at Duncan Plaza. Yep. Yeah, this is a nice park to come to. You want to eat something, you can eat here. Somebody littering and stuff. So ladies and gentlemen, that part of me just waltzing around here saying bye and lock the tie, I will go by Randy TV house, but he's out of town at this moment. Okay. So I guess today is the 6th, I do believe. Today, February the 6th, 2000. I could be wrong though. So let me see. Monday was the 1st. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah. Today's Saturday. February the 6th, 2021. Okay. Scrolling around the plaza. There goes City Hall right there. As we walk around the park and stuff like that. Okay. So, what's that? Never mind what that is. Okay. So we walk around. That part is closed. So nice hill and all that. Yep. I remember for Katrina, they had a lot of people camped out here. You know that's when Ray Nagin was the mayor of the city. Previously, it was Mitch Landrieu that was the mayor. You know. Now Latoya Cantrell is our mayor now. Okay. She's doing whatever it takes to make the city safe. And while people social distance because of the COVID-19, you know. I know my auntie num is watching, you know. So let me wipe this. My glasses is getting foggy for some reason. All because of this damn mask, you know. There's somebody around. Gotta let people know that I'm not talking to myself, talking to you viewers, you know. Oh, I guess that was a John McDonough statue right here. You know, so somebody knocked it down. I don't know why they did that. You know, John McDonough. Well, that was the name of a high school I went to. You know. Yep. So let's just walk around this podium here. Okay. Name a school after such and such. You know. So that's all. You know. If you're not familiar with New Orleans, look around. Is that my bus right there? Nah. Oh, that's the Galvez. Supposed to be on that. But I'm just riding around, that's all. Huh. Yep. So that's all I'm going to do. Take a ride around and stuff like that. Get out the house. I'm already out the house. Yeah, I'm already out the house. You know. So let's take a walk around here. If you're not familiar with New Orleans, well, I knew some of y'all tourists have seen it, but technically this is my first time in Duncan Plaza Park. Some people are waiting on the bus. That you see that bus? That's one of them new buses right there, you know. And that's a new flyer bus, you know, 2020. Oh no, 2019. My bad. Okay. So those Orion 8s came out in 2008, some 2010. I don't know what articulate is at. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Showing y'all around though. Around this park, you know. Stroll around the park. That's what I love to do. Here goes City Hall. All right. I don't know what this is for. It ain't. I don't think it's nothing to play on. You know. No playground for the kids around here. City Hall, once again. And something to sit at. I guess nothing to sit at. All right. Okay. So, oh, wait a minute. What's this? Statue is this. Yep. I don't know what they're going to do with the statue, but they better not do nothing to it. You know? Y'all know what this is? I don't know what this is. I don't know. Okay. So, well, I think about it, ladies and gentlemen. Just gonna vlog till I spog. Yep. Not that's a joke. Spog. And this is a flagpole. Okay. Well, y'all don't give a damn about a flagpole. Okay, that's an old bus. Y'all don't give a damn about a flagpole. Who cares about a flagpole? Yep. You know what? If you're my Facebook friend, you probably watched it. If you're watching it on your news feed, did you saw the show? Okay, or was live or whatever, you know. So, all right. So I guess this will conclude this Facebook Live video. Okay. All right. So thank y'all for watching and stuff like that. So I might do another one at home, or I'm not gonna do another one at all. I don't know. Okay. So peace out. Oh wait, before I go, I know a lot of people tired of wearing masks, you know, due to this COVID-19, and Dominoes is definitely tired of wearing masks. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm definitely tired of wearing masks. Okay, so that's all Domino 7 got to say. All right, peace out.